good at turning this on. Is it on? Okay, yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to today's video. Today I am packing and deep cleaning our apartment, and I thought that I would take you along with me, a little bit vlog style as we go. But we are, as a lot of you guys know, we're moving from this apartment, and we're moving, actually, we get the keys to our new house next week. Like, it's crazy. I'm very, very excited. It's, you know, I've had this countdown for a couple months now, so it's really exciting. It's coming up. So we're moving really soon, but we have not started packing yet. So today and tomorrow I wanted to just like take some time to do some packing and cleaning, mostly today. I'm not gonna pack up every single thing that we own because we will still be here for, you know, another few days. I have moved about 16 times, I want to say, in my life. Even just the past 3 years alone, I've moved 3 times. So I've moved a lot in my life. I do have a few tips that I can share with you in this video. And let me know below, have you moved a lot in your life? Have you just kind of stayed in one place your whole life? Let me know, I'm curious. And yeah, let's get started. So we've got a bunch of boxes here in our den. You can save money by getting boxes for free from a lot of places like grocery stores and other kinds of stores. You can hop in there and you know, ask if they have any extra boxes. It's a great way to save money instead of buying them if you're able to find them. Another helpful thing to do is to try and find boxes that have handles, or you can cut them yourself with a knife just to make carrying them easier. All right, I am up on a chair, ready to do some packing. Anytime that you are moving, I'm sure a lot of you guys would do this anyway, but is to declutter, sift and sort through your stuff before packing things into boxes. Otherwise, you're gonna end up bringing stuff with you to your new place that you might not even want or need. So yeah, just sift and sort. I'm starting with items in the apartment that we don't really need to use over the next week or so until we actually move, so that it doesn't matter if I pack them into boxes because we won't really use them. You know when you like buy a laptop or a new piece of computer equipment and then you get like boxes and all these like wires and like warranty or service documents? What is even this? Do we even need this? This is a backpack that Sean has, and he told me not to pack it away because he's going to use it for packing, like for putting stuff in, which is another tip that I had is like if you have any kind of like baskets or bins or like bags, cloth bags, backpacks, suitcases, which I have down here, I'm going to talk about in a minute. These are great ways to pack things for moving instead of just like not making use of them and only using boxes. We've got a bunch of picture frames in here that I have to go through. Some of these I might actually get rid of. There's some in the front closet as well. All right, and then over here I have some wedding related things because we're getting married in just a couple of weeks also. We're literally moving and getting married in pretty much the same week. And anyway, so I've got my wedding shoes, Sean got some dress shoes, I have like some just wedding related stuff. I'm gonna put this into a box as well. These are some of my old journals. I just finished this one, so these are all written in. I don't need to have them handy. I can just store those away. Pretty much don't need anything else in this drawer, so that's easy. All right, so coming back to my little suitcase that I have here, I brought this up from our storage unit in the basement of this building because Suitcases are fantastic for using for packing. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting clothes in it. I'm just going to be packing up clothes that I definitely know that I won't be using within the next week, including our winter coats. I'm going to try and fit all into the suitcase here. The best way to pack clothes when you're moving is to try and just keep them on the hangers and just sort of fold them up. That way you don't have to take them off the hangers and then hang them all back up again. All right, I'm in our front den. Got all kinds of boxes over there. This is our front closet here. And so this is what I want to go through now. We have a bunch of just kind of random stuff in here. I just took out my winter coats and other jackets and I put them in the suitcase in the bedroom. But anyways, I've got up here like some hats and scarves and mitts and things, also more winter stuff that I can pack away. While I'm packing up some winter boots and stuff, I'm just gonna go through our shoe cabinet and pack away any shoes in here that we don't need to be using right now. Here's my little ballet slippers that I haven't been able to use or, you know, go to ballet classes in like a year and a half because of the pandemic. So sad. My bag of craft supplies that I use for various things. There's some ballet hands that I drew. All this dust that's gotten trapped in here. Tons of dust. I give this a really quick vacuum. Taking a quick break and I'm eating some apple slices with sunflower seed butter. I like this stuff. This is sun butter. It's really good with apple slices. So that's what I'm enjoying. Hard to do this with one hand. All right, it's time now for me to go through this little antique dresser that I have here in our den. I've got a lot of like camera gear, papers, all kinds of like stuff in here. My bathroom now, and I'm going to go through everything that's under the sink here and put it into a little old box. I've been using a refrigerator drawer for storage of my hair supplies and that. This drawer came from like the fridge here in our apartment because it was taking up a lot of space in the little condo-sized fridge, so we took it out and I have to go put it back into the kitchen because clearly I can't take this with me. All right, so I am moving on now to the kitchen. The plan for packing up the kitchen is just like I've been doing with the rest of the apartment. I'm just gonna pack up any dishes, maybe some storage containers, anything in the cupboards that we're not gonna be using over the next week. I'm gonna pack those up first. And of course, I'm still gonna leave some things that we'll still need, like some cutlery and bowls and cups. I obviously won't pack those just yet. We'll do that next week. But another thing that I'm gonna be doing, and this is a tip for you here as well, is do your best to eat up as much of the food that you have in your kitchen as possible. So I do meal planning every week, so something that you can definitely do is really try to kind of meal plan around what you've got hanging around in your pantry, in your freezer, in your fridge, really trying to use up as much food as you can, especially if you have a lot of frozen food and depending on how far you gotta drive. So Sean's parents gave us a big box of some paper for wrapping up dishes so that they don't break in that. Another great thing that you can do when you're packing is to use like tea towels, dish towels, linens even. You can make use of when packing, especially if you need to layer anything. It's a great way to, you know, prevent things from breaking. It is the next day and the next morning, and the apartment is looking pretty good. It's pretty, like, you know, getting pretty packed up. Got some boxes over there, so got a lot of stuff packed. And you know, we don't have a ton of stuff, so it really didn't take too long to go through it all, and there's really not much more that we have to pack up. Mostly just the dishes that we'll do next week and some stuff in the pantry. And yeah, so everything's looking pretty good. I've got a box of stuff here in the bedroom, and then a couple more boxes in the closet. So yeah, things are looking pretty good. I was also able to do some cleaning last night as well. We really needed to clean the oven. Wanted to get that nice kind of deep cleaned. I cleaned my bathtub. We removed some more pictures off the walls. Starting to have that feeling, you know, when you move and things are getting packed up and it starts to feel more empty and kind of like not as lived in. It's starting to feel a little bit like that, but so excited for the new place, and I'm gonna end this video here. Let me know if you like vlog style videos, because you know what, it's actually kind of fun for me to switch things up and to kind of just film in a little bit more of a casual way. Maybe I will do more vlogs on my channel. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're moving. Have you been doing any packing, deep cleaning around your place? How's it going for you? Let me know, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.